After visiting the Orange Isle, and after digging our amazing lunch, our next stop is the STAZIONE Las Spezia Central, a true replica of a train station in Piazza Madagli D, or in Liguria, Italy, which is a part of YE Brothers Film Town located in Yulu District, Changsha Hunan Province. The station features a massive 1:1 scale, same in Italy.
Inside is the ticketing station for DOT, the entrance fees for the mini Venice town. And of course the old train where you can take photos that feels like you're back in time. After buying ticket, let's go in and see it for real.
Ito yung mini Venice. Napakaganda.
Venetian architecture is truly amazing.
Huh? Mas... nag-ride sila oh. Nandito tayo sa mini Venice. So they copied the Venice, including all the structures there. And meron dito nagpo-photoshoots. So Chinese family or Chinese
best wishes, guys.
Sige. Hotel ba? Sige. Wow, ganda na no. Ito yung gawing likod. Hindi, dito nakaikot na sila rin dito. Ganda. Yan na rin yun. Yan yung harap ng wow. Meron dyan may stairs. May stairs dyan. Wow! Just beautiful. Oh, di ba? Ito yung paikot kanina.